Hello everyone, it's Alex and welcome back to my Refresh and Rejuvenate Yoga series. Today's class is going to be your heart opening workout. So we're going to be moving through a series of asanas where we're going to be opening up our heart chakra and really refreshing our whole body. So you need no equipment, just your mat and a little bit of floor space. So let's go ahead and get started. If you are unable to join me for this video right now, go ahead and save it to your watch later. That way you can come back and join me whenever you have time. All right, everyone, we're gonna go ahead and get started standing at the very tops of our mats. So come into your Tadasana mountain pose. Just start by making sure your feet are right underneath your hips. You're pulling up through your abdominal muscles. You're sending that tailbone down towards the mat. Go ahead and flip your palms so they're facing forward. Just roll your shoulders back a couple of times. And take in a nice big deep breath just so that we can get settled into our space. So take a big deep inhale through your nose. And exhale, let it all go. Feel your feet pressing down into the mat, trying to lengthen out through the top of your head so you're creating that nice tall spine here. Good, take in another big deep breath. You're more than welcome to close your eyes just so that you can get yourself nice and centered and ready for practice. Take in a big deep breath through your nose. And exhale, let it all go. Good, from here, go ahead and inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Feel that nice big stretch. And as you exhale, cactus your arms out, so pulling your elbows down towards the sides of your waist here. And then inhale, reach your arms up again. Exhale, cactus your arms again, lift your chest up to the sky. And inhale, reach your arms up. Good, we're gonna do this a couple more times. Inhale as you reach your arms up, exhale, pull your elbows down. And again, inhale, reach up. Really grow through the lengths of your spine here. And as you exhale, pull those elbows in nice and tight, squeezing your shoulder blades together. 2 more times. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, pull your elbows down. And again, inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, pull your elbows down. Good, from here, go ahead and inhale, reach your arms up again. Exhale as you dive all the way down, nice and slow, coming into your forward fold, reaching your hands down, dropping your head, letting your neck and shoulders rest, just holding our forward fold, so stretching out through the back of the legs here. You can walk it out on the spot if that feels nice for you, if you're feeling a little bit more tense today. Or if you want, you can just hold this posture here, grabbing your ankles and pulling your body in as much as you can. Good, on your inhale, go ahead and come up halfway, so lift your chest up. Exhale, forward fold. Good, from here, go ahead and place your hands down, stepping back into your high plank. Just holding here, engaging through the abdominal muscles a little bit. Taking a big deep breath. And an exhale. And again, a nice big deep breath through the nose. Good, and on your exhale, we're slowly gonna lower into our chaturanga. So pulling your elbows in towards your waist. You're gonna lower for 5 and 4, 3, 2, and 1. All the way down, laying flat on your belly here. Place your hands underneath your shoulders, and then from here, just lift your back up, coming into your cobra. So again, squeezing the shoulder blades here, opening up through that heart center. Taking a big deep breath. And exhale as you lengthen your head out, reaching down back towards the mat. And again, lift your chest up, nice cobra here. Squeezing your shoulder blades together, still pulling up through your abdominal muscles. And exhale, lengthen to slowly lower down. And again, inhale, lift the chest up towards the sky. See if you can go a little bit higher this time. And exhale. Rest it down. 2 more times. Lift your chest up. Roll your shoulders back. And exhale. Bring it all down. Last time here. See if you can lift your chest even higher this time. Lift it up. Hold. Squeeze those shoulder blades at the top. Take in 1 more big deep breath. And exhale. Release it all down. Very nice. Go ahead and lift your chest back up, tuck your back toes, send your hips up high, coming into your downward dog. Again, feel free to walk it out on the spot here if you're feeling a little bit more tense through the back of your legs. Take in some nice big deep breaths. Feel your hands pressing into the mat, sending that tailbone up nice and high towards the sky. Good, and just holding here, finding that nice full body stretch. Awesome, and then from here we're going to inhale as we lift our left leg up to the sky, coming into our one-legged downward dog, stretching it nice and high. Pointing your toes, really feel like you're lengthening out through the tops of your feet. And keep pressing those hands into the mat, sending that sternum down towards the floor. Good, taking another big deep inhale here. On your exhale, go ahead and bend your knee, just opening up through your hips. So stacking your left hip on top of your right, still trying to keep those shoulders nice and square here. Just trying to bring that heel closer towards the glutes, feeling that opening through your left hip. Good, inhale, send that leg back up to the sky. On your exhale, go ahead and bring that knee in towards the chest, stepping through, coming into your high lunge. So first, start by engaging the core muscles here, bringing that left foot in between your hands. On your inhale, go ahead and reach those arms up to the sky. Finding your high crescent lunge here, sink your tailbone down as you exhale, reaching those arms up. Again, just opening through your heart center here. Taking a big deep breath. And an exhale. We're going to cactus those arms again. So inhale as you reach your arms up. Exhale, pull those elbows down towards your abdominal muscles. And inhale, reach up. Exhale, pull the elbows down, open up through your heart. And exhale, reach it up. One more time, pull the elbows down, lift your chest up towards the sky. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Good, from here you're going to send that left leg back into your one-legged dog. So reach that left leg up towards the sky, taking a big deep inhale. On your exhale, you're going to bend that knee again, and we're going to slowly come into our wild thing. So you're going to start slowly bringing that foot down towards the ground behind you. As you do that, you're going to start to flip your hips up towards the sky, reaching that left arm up and behind your head. Lifting your chest up one more time, taking a big deep breath. And exhale, bring that hands down, coming back into that one-legged dog. Good, from here, bring the foot down, ripple through into your high plank, taking a big deep breath. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Very nice. Let out a big deep breath once you get here. Just find your nice even breath here. Stretching out through your whole body. Taking a little break in between sides, because yes, we're going to repeat that whole thing on the right side. Taking one more big deep inhale. And exhale. All right, take in one more big deep breath before we continue on with the right side. And let it go. From here, go ahead and send that right leg up to the sky. Reach those toes up, feeling that nice stretch behind the left leg. Taking a big deep inhale. And an exhale. Good, from here, bend that knee, stacking your right hip on top of your left, opening up through your hips here. Again, trying to keep those shoulders square to the mat. Taking a big deep breath. And let it go. Good, inhale, send that leg back up towards the sky. Exhale, pulling that knee in towards the chest, stepping in between your hands, coming into that crescent lunge. So again, take a moment here to engage your abdominal muscles, try to find your balance. Again, on your inhale, go ahead and reach those arms up to the sky, coming into your crescent lunge. Sending that tailbone down, reaching the arms up, feel that opposition through the body. On your next exhale, you're going to pull your elbows down, cactusing your arms, opening up through your chest. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, pull them down. And again, inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, pull them down, lift the chest up. Last time, reach the arms up to the sky. Exhale, pull those elbows down, opening up through the chest, and reach the arms up. And then slowly bring your hands back down to the ground. From here, go ahead and send that right leg back into your one-legged dog. So lifting the toes up towards the sky. From here, we're going to bend our knee again and flip up into our wild thing. So you're going to slowly start to drop those toes down towards the mat as you start to flip your hips up towards the sky. Then once your foot touches the mat, go ahead and reach that arm up towards the sky, lifting up your chest, opening up through your heart, taking a big deep breath. And then as you exhale, slowly bring that hand back towards the mat, send that leg back up towards the sky. Exhale, bring that foot down, ripple through to your high plank. Inhale here. And on your exhale, bend your elbows, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, push back, downward facing dog. Let out a big exhale once you get here. Good. One more big deep breath, just feeling this nice full body stretch. And on your exhale, go ahead and lift your heels, slowly bend your knees, coming into a child's pose. So bring your knees down onto the mat, untuck your toes, reach your hands forward, just feeling that nice stretch through the arms here. Trying to bring your forehead all the way down the mat. Just take a moment to find your breath again. This is your small little break as you let your heart rate start to slow down. Good. From here, go ahead and walk your hands over to the right side of your mat just a little bit, so you're stretching through the left side of your body. So stacking that left hand on top of the right, and again, just sink your forehead down, feeling that nice gentle side body stretch here. Good. Bring your hands to the center, and then walk your hands over to the left side of the mat, stacking your right hand on top of your left, and then letting your head rest down. Feeling that nice side body stretch on the right side of the mat. Good, and then bring your hands back through the center. Just sink that forehead down one last time. Good, and then from here, go ahead and ripple forward, coming back onto our stomach. So send your hips down and then slowly bend your elbows, coming all the way down onto your chest. Good. From here, go ahead and just place your hands underneath your shoulders. We're going to do a very gentle quad stretch. So all you're going to do is lift those right toes up to the sky, bend that knee, go ahead and reach back with that right hand, and then slowly start to pull that heel in towards your glutes. So you're feeling a nice little quad stretch here through the right leg. Taking a big deep breath, and an exhale as you pull that heel in even closer. Good. Take one more big deep breath. And exhale, go ahead and release that foot. We're going to repeat that on the left side. So again, just bending the left knee this time, reaching back with your left hand, pulling that heel in towards your glutes, feeling that quad stretch on the left side this time. Taking a big deep breath and an exhale. And again, breathe in through the nose. And exhale. Good. Go ahead and release that foot. Push yourself up, coming back, sitting back in your child's pose for one breath. Inhale and exhale. And then from here, go ahead and ripple up, coming onto our knees. So sitting up all the way on your knees, send that tailbone down. We're going to come into our camel pose. So you have 2 ways to do this. I'm going to show the modified way and then the full version. Modified way is going ahead and bringing your hands on the sides of your back, on your lower back. From here, you're going to take a big inhale as you lift your chest up towards the sky. And on your exhale, you're slowly going to start to push your hips forward as you look and lift your chest up towards the sky about halfway. And you're just going to hold here. That's your modified way. So all you're doing is pushing your hips forward. Again, having your hands resting on your back for support. Making sure your knees are right underneath your hips. As you push your hips forward, you're going to slowly start to lift your chest up towards the sky, opening up through that heart center, and then just holding. Full version is from here. You're going to keep your hands on the smalls of your back. You're going to lift your chest up as you take a big, deep inhale. And as you exhale, you're going to slowly start to bring your hands down onto your heels. So bringing your hands all the way down, grabbing onto the heels of your feet. And then from here, really pushing your hips forward as you lift your chest up and lifting your head to the sky. So that's the full version. So take whatever version you feel is best for you today. If you're feeling a little bit more tight than usual, go ahead and just keep your hands on your back. However, if you want to take the full version, you're going to go ahead and bring your hands down towards your heels, really feeling that nice heart opening through your chest. So go ahead and take your big inhale. And exhale, slowly start to bring your body down, grabbing onto either your heels or keeping your hands to the smalls of your back. And then lifting that chest up nice and high, feeling that big stretch here. Good, and then from here, slowly bring your hands back to your back, lifting your chest back, sitting your tailbone down, and then reaching your hands forward, coming into your child's pose. Letting out a big deep breath once you get here. Inhale and an exhale. We're going to do that one more time just to see if we can go a little bit deeper into our stretch. So take a big deep inhale. On your exhale, slowly ripple up, coming back onto your knees. Again, making sure your knees stay right underneath your hips. Go ahead and take whatever version feels best for you today. So place your hands on the sides of your spine here. Take a big deep inhale. On your exhale, slowly start to push your hips forward. Either keeping your hands on the sides of your back or bringing your hands down to your heels. Pushing those hips forward, sending that chest up towards the sky. You can either keep your neck lifted, or if you want, you can drop your head all the way back. Good, and then from there, go ahead and place your hands on the sides of your back, slowly coming up. One more time, just sitting back down on your heels, reaching your hands forward, counter stretching that camel pose here, so coming into your child's pose, releasing any tension from the back. Taking a big deep inhale once you're here. And exhale, let it all go. One more big deep breath. And exhale, let it all go. Very nice. Slowly start to walk your hands back, sitting up nice and tall. From here, we're just going to end our practice by sitting on our heels in hero's pose, taking a big deep inhale as you reach your arms up towards the sky. Exhale, bring your hands into prayer position, slowly bringing your hands back down towards your heart center, bowing down and thanking yourself for such a wonderful, beautiful practice today. Thank you guys so much for watching today's class. If you want to check out the rest of my series, you can go ahead and download our app, Yoga Plus, which is located in the description down below.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.